Hey, what's good, my people? Welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor. If you didn't know, well, now you know. I wanted to get on here and I want to give mad shout out to all my people on YouTube for the 100K plaque. I couldn't be more thankful enough for this. So thank you very, very, very much to all the people out there that support my channel. Big apology of mine for putting the people catching on fire for the channel. I apologize for that. YouTube did spank me and give me a strike, so I am paying the cost of that and suffering the repercussion of having a strike on the channel. It is what it is, it's real, but I wanted to give you guys mad shout out and thank you guys for letting me get over 100K subscribers and then getting awarded the plaque. We'll go ahead and show this baby to you guys. It's the letter from YouTube for reaching 100K. And there she is, guys. So thank you to everybody who genuinely helped me get this plaque. Thank you, guys. Nothing but love. I can't wait to reach 1 million. So with that being said, you guys are awesome. I love you. Thank you for the plaque. More content to be coming. More for you guys, definitely. Lots more. I love each and every one of you for subscribing and putting your thoughts in the comment list. It's great. Stay cool, guys.